Speak Up English, the key to success.
Before we finish, Mark, I have one more question. How can I overcome nervousness and build confidence when speaking in formal settings, such as interviews or presentations?
Overcoming nervousness and building confidence in formal settings is a common challenge, Sarah. One effective technique is to practice visualization. Before the actual event, take some time to visualize yourself speaking confidently, delivering your presentation, or answering interview questions with ease. This mental rehearsal can help reduce anxiety and boost your confidence.
That's an interesting approach, Mark. I'll definitely try visualization to prepare myself mentally and alleviate nervousness.
Another strategy is to practice in simulated formal settings. Create mock interview or presentation scenarios with a friend or language partner. By repeatedly practicing in these settings, you can become more comfortable and confident in expressing yourself formally.
That sounds like a practical way to gain confidence, Mark. Practicing in simulated settings will help me familiarize myself with the format and expectations of formal situations.
Absolutely, Sarah. Additionally, prepare thoroughly by researching the topic, organizing your thoughts, and practicing your speech or answers. The more prepared you are, the more confident you'll feel when it's time to speak.
Thank you for the advice, Mark. I'll incorporate these techniques into my language learning routine to build my confidence in formal settings.
You're welcome, Sarah. Remember, building confidence takes time and practice. Be patient with yourself and acknowledge that it's normal to feel nervous. Embrace the opportunity to grow and showcase your skills.
I will, Mark. Thank you for your guidance and support throughout our practice sessions. I feel more motivated and equipped to tackle formal speaking situations.
It's been a pleasure assisting you, Sarah. I have no doubt that with your dedication and perseverance, your English speaking skills will continue to flourish.
Thank you, Mark. I'm excited to continue this language journey and see how far I can go. Before we wrap up, Mark, I have one more question. How can I improve my fluency and speaking speed in English?
Improving fluency and speaking speed requires practice, Sarah. One effective technique is to engage in timed speaking exercises. Set a timer for a specific duration, such as 1 or 2 minutes, and challenge yourself to speak on a given topic within that time limit. This exercise helps train your brain to think and speak more quickly.
That's a great suggestion, Mark. Timed speaking exercises will help me become more comfortable expressing my thoughts within a limited time frame.
Absolutely, Sarah. Another strategy is to practice with English tongue twisters. Tongue twisters are phrases or sentences that are challenging to pronounce. By practicing these, you can improve your pronunciation, diction, and speaking speed.
That sounds fun, Mark. I can see how tongue twisters would be a great way to enhance my speaking skills and work on my speed.
Additionally, surround yourself with English-speaking environments as much as possible. Listen to English podcasts, watch TV shows or movies in English, and engage in conversations with native speakers or language partners. Immersion in the language helps you adapt to the natural pace and rhythm of spoken English.
Thank you for the suggestions, Mark. I'll incorporate timed speaking exercises, tongue twisters, and more English immersion into my practice routine to improve my fluency and speaking speed.
You're welcome, Sarah. Remember, the more you practice, the more comfortable and fluent you'll become. Don't worry about making mistakes, focus on continuous improvement.
I will, Mark. Thank you for your guidance and support throughout our practice sessions. I feel more motivated and equipped to work on my fluency and speaking speed.
It's been a pleasure assisting you, Sarah. I have no doubt that with your dedication and perseverance, your English speaking skills will continue to flourish.
Thank you, Mark. I'm excited to continue this language journey and see how far I can go.
Before we finish, Mark, I have one more question. How can I improve my conversation flow and maintain smooth transitions between ideas?
Improving conversation flow and transitions requires practice, Sarah. One effective technique is to focus on using linking words and phrases. These words help connect ideas and create a smooth flow in your speech. Examples of linking words include however, therefore, in addition, and on the other hand.
That's a great suggestion, Mark. Using linking words will help me express my thoughts more cohesively and make my conversations sound more natural.
Absolutely, Sarah. Another strategy is to practice paraphrasing. When you're speaking, try expressing the same idea using different words or sentence structures. This exercise helps you become more versatile in your communication and adds variety to your speech.
That sounds interesting, Mark. Paraphrasing will not only help me improve my conversation flow, but also enhance my vocabulary and language flexibility.
Additionally, actively listen to others during conversations and respond accordingly. Instead of solely focusing on what you want to say next, pay attention to the speaker's words and respond with relevant comments or questions. This shows active engagement and helps maintain a smooth conversation flow.
Thank you for the advice, Mark. I'll practice using linking words, work on paraphrasing, and improve my active listening skills to enhance my conversation flow.
You're welcome, Sarah. Remember, conversation flow takes practice and awareness. The more you engage in conversations and consciously apply these techniques, the more seamless and effortless your speech will become.
I will, Mark. Thank you for your guidance and support throughout our practice sessions. I feel more motivated and equipped to work on my conversation flow and transitions.
It's been a pleasure assisting you, Sarah. I have no doubt that with your dedication and perseverance, your English speaking skills will continue to flourish.
Thank you, Mark. I'm excited to continue this language journey and see how far I can go.